Hello guys, this is Lauren. I have here a calamondin tree, and I have just repotted it from a smaller container. As you can see, the hole in the middle of this container is a small ball of root system. But the root system of this calamondin was a little bit rotten. So what I'm going to do is remove all these fruits from this calamondin tree for it to be able to gain its strength, because there are lots of roots that were damaged. So yeah, after picking these fruits, I will gonna prune it drastically. So see ya. So guys, I'm almost done picking these calamansi or calamondin fruits, and the next step is pruning this small tree. I'm going to prune it drastically because the roots system were also pruned because of that rotten parts. So it should be pruned on the top also, like almost the root system, so that the tree will going to gain its strength again. So guys, here it is now after pruning. Don't worry, it will not gonna die. Trees like to be pruned, so it will grow again. And I also have here a few citrus trees. They were from my basement under lights during the long period of winter. And I have here one orange tree. I think I have 4 calamondin tree and 2 citrus trees, lemon tree. And here it is. The other one doesn't have leaves anymore because it was attacked by billions of aphids in my basement during winter time. But anyway, it will going to thrive again. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Lauren. God bless you all. Take care everyone.